What's going on, y'all? I know it's been some time since I made a video, but I decided to replace the tensioner because I've been having issues at high RPM. My belt is slipping off the water pump. Right, I don't know if you can see it down there. So these self-adjusting ones are kind of shit. So I bought a manual one from ICT. It was like 70 to 80 bucks on Amazon. They got different ones. Comcam, Gwatney has some, but I am not gonna fucking spend hundreds to $180, $200 for a goddamn tensioner. It's just not gonna happen. So this one is probably just as good. Build a construction, real simple to take off. Got two bolts come off. Take your pulley off first because it makes it easier to get in there if you don't have one of those automatic ones. So I just used a what is this? This is 16. So I will when I'm done, I will put it back on and we'll go do some testing. Alright, y'all. So tensioner's in. It was one bloody finger because when you got all these hoses and shit in the way, trying to get behind that bolt. Oh, you can't even see it, but it's the bolt to make the tensioner tight. You gotta tighten that sucker down. Also, caveat, right? So I had to reuse my stock pulley because the one that was provided too small. My belt wouldn't get proper tension even when I pushed it all the way up. So just keep that in mind. It did say this is for LS3. This is an LS3 based engine. But yeah, I'm about to clean up a little bit and turn it on and see what's going on. Also, check this out. So my dumbass, right? You might be wondering what door I'm getting a new filter. You might be wondering what is all this shit. This shit it came out and was riding on the supercharger pulley. So it literally ate all the plastic. Joy. But yeah, we're about to start it up soon. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. So she's idling. Everything seems aligned. It doesn't look weird or anything. Not wiggling, not squeaking. Go ahead and let her idle and we'll do some high RPM pulls and see if she stays. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a second gear pull, try to go all the way up to 7,000, and hopefully this belt stays in place. So just give me a little bit moment and we'll see what happens. Oh shit. Just spun. Alright, I'm gonna try again, see what happens. It's going up to 7,000. She's so far not pulling off. Usually by the third pull, I would have it kind of walk off the pulley. I'm gonna do a couple more and see what's up. Alright, I'm really sorry for the shitty camera work, guys. Mexico's kind of busy today. Okay, she's still holding. I think we're good. Shit. I've done about 5 pulls right now, all the way up to 7K, and I still got power steering because usually when that belt slips, you lose power steering. I'm gonna check it once I get home. Straight. Everything still looks aligned. Nothing weird. No noisy, no squeakies. Yeah, I think we're good. I think that high RPM belt, walking off at high RPM, is finally fixed. Cool. Well, I appreciate you guys who watched, and I'm really trying to get some content out. I've been trying to get some races with Hellcats and a couple of Pro Charge Corvettes, but man, nobody wants to just do it, man. Nobody wants to do it for fun. Everybody wants fucking money, and I ain't gonna race nobody for money. I don't give a shit if my car is faster or not. But yep, I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all have a great day.